palace and park of the Exposition Universelle, held 1867 in Paris. This is a folding large pocket map which unfolds like so and comes down like this, and we see that it is hand colored. It's engraved and then lithographed with hand color. It's tremendously detailed, showing the locations of, on this side, 65 specific locations within the palace itself, and over here it continues on to number to 96, and then there is another legend locating 30 other features around in the park area around this main building. The map itself is clean and well preserved. There is a split here along this fold line, which has been closed on the reverse with, it looks like archival tape. There's no loss of printed area. The map folds readily, like so, into the folder, which is leather. It's stamped in blind, gilt, lettered ornately, and on the front cover. And it's currently available on my website, briandimambro.com.